Okay, to test saw whether it is stable, it's not at here, because when we are using this saw, we have to push all the sliding table out to make sure the blade finish cutting the material. So when all extension arm go out and the table go out, then we can test whether it is stable. Make sure that it is all stable. We use the big and thick metal profiles to make these extension tables. And also here we use steel extension arms rather than aluminum. And here we make the thickness 3 millimeters to make this whole arm very strong and stable. And after we strengthen all these tables and arms and extension arms, we find that the hinge here is not strong enough. So we change the 20 mm bearings to 30 mm. And also here, most machine we use 2 guiding rollers. We add another roller that is 3 rollers. So even this arm go to extreme end, still we have 2 rollers to support these extension arms. That is the reason even we push it all the way out, the table is still very stable. And further, we strengthened the body of the machine here, here, and here, and also we make strengthened frames here. And finally, we make this machine nearly 1 ton weight. The good performance, high quality comes all from these details. And Saga focus on these details to make sure that the users can experience an excellent performance.